Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I want to show you guys a project that I finally completed. I think I've been working on this. Well, I haven't worked on it, but I started it I want to say last month or the month before that. I'm not sure. It was when the girls came over to craft. And I started it, but I just never finished it. So last weekend I was like, you know what? I got to finish it. So I'm going to show you what I used to make these things, as well as like a quick half-ass tutorial, because it's super easy. I can explain it and you guys will get it. So I wanted to use these bubblegum beads, and you guys know we have all these from Hobby Lobby or from online or wherever you purchased it. So besides the pokey tool, I thought it would be a great idea to use these. I'm going to try to come up with some more projects using these because I have a ton. So I use these, and I also use these lollipop sticks. I guess that's what you call them. But I did use, like, I cut them down for this project. So I probably use like, probably this much. I used that. And then I used some of these elastic ties from the Dollar Tree. And then I also, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I made. Super excited because they came out so cute. So I'll show you the first one. I'll show them individually because they all look different. So look at what I made. I made little lollipops. Aren't they super adorable? So I'm going to tell you what I did. I cut down the lollipop stick, and then I actually super glued. You can either super glue or use your E6000, whatever you want to do to adhere the let me show you. Adhere it to the gumball bead. So it doesn't fit inside the hole, but what I did was I kind of like tried to cut the pieces down here so that it could at least stick in there a little bit. So I cut it at an angle so that it was like it came to a tip, and then I super glued around it, and I held it for a few seconds, and then I got the glue gun and then glue gunned it around this area over here, all the way around. And mind you, don't worry about it because it's not going to show. So I just put a whole bunch of glue. See, and then that's what it kind of looks like. But of course, this stick is going to be, sorry, excuse me, down to here. So that is basically what I did. Super easy, right? So once I did that, I know you guys have this in your stash, these baggies. What I did was I just cut them in pieces. If you don't have the gift wrap, you know, that clear wrapping that you can get from Dollar Tree. So I just cut them into squares, and that's how I got the clear wrapping to put on top of the lollipop. And then of course on the other end, it's gonna have like this hole. So what I did was I just got some bling, as you can see there, and I just put it on top. And it came out so cute. So that's all I did. And see, you cannot see the glue because I tied some ribbon and some things around it. So you can't see the glue at all. So isn't that super cute? So there's that one. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it more. And then here's this one right here. And this, I just got some seam binding and just wrapped it around, put a little bling there. And on top, that's what it looks like. It looks so yummy, right? So there's that one. And then there's this one right here. See, and as you can see here, you can see the elastic. And I use the elastic because when I put this around, let's see, the gumball, So it looks like this, right? And then you have your stick right here. So that's basically what it's going to look like right here. So what I did was, in order for this to stay, I just wrapped around the elastic around here at the base so that it looks like, you know, like a candy wrapper. So that's all I did. That's what I used these for. So basically that's what it looks like. Super cute, right? So anyways, moving on, here's this one. Okay, and then this one. And this is all using the beads from Hobby Lobby that I have. The gumball beads. This one, some seam binding. The bling on the top. There's this one. This one's super cute. And then there's this one here. I think they came out adorable. So you can use these on projects if you want, or just have them as embellishments, and whatever your heart desires. But I think they turned out so cute. At first, there was the hole and I didn't know what to do, so that's why I added all the bling at the top, and I think it looks really cute with it. And I just decided to tie some ribbons and things, because you know we all have ribbons, and then these little satin bows. And then the last one is this one. So, but I was thinking, I had an afterthought after I made these. If you guys do want to make them as a dangle or something, you could probably use a smaller bead, because I think these gumball beads are, I want to say 20 millimeter, but you could use a smaller bead. You can cut this down shorter, or you can use a toothpick or whatever you choose. And then instead of putting this on top, you could actually probably use a, let's see, let me cut this, let's see real quick. You can probably, what you would do so that it dangled is use like a head pin. That is a head pin right there. And these are from Hobby Lobby. You could use a head pin. And then this is probably, this bubblegum bead is too big, but if you had a smaller bead, the hole's smaller, you can put that like this, and then glue that part to your stick, and then cut this down and make your little hoop, like let's see, like your little hoop, like come on, focus, like that, you know. This one, I'm not just using this as an example. So this would be the flat head side, and then you would glue it to your stick, and then you would have the little hoop here, and then you can use it as a dangle. So of course, like I said, you would have to use a smaller bead, because I doubt you would want to use these, because these are like really big, unless that's what you choose to do. But yeah, so it would just have like the hoop here on this end, and then you could use it as a dangle. I mean, you could use this big one, or you could just make a smaller one using a smaller bead. So that wasn't the afterthought, that after I thought about it after making these, because these aren't too big, but I think they came out so cute, right? Look at them. Look at how cute it is. So yeah, that is my little lollipop bubblegum bead project that I want to share with you guys. I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.